I'm gonna do my makeup today. I'm gonna do my YouTube channel.
Hi everybody, this is my daughter Snow Rose, and she really wanted to do a makeup tutorial for you. She loves makeup. So she has her little palette here. And she's gonna be doing her first YouTube video for you guys, doing her makeup. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you need me to get you a mirror, my love?
Yeah.
Or are you gonna use that as your mirror?
I'll use my own mirror.
Okay, let me go grab you one. Here you go.
I'm putting on blue to make my eyes line. So I put that down. Then I can teach you. I'm gonna do my eyeliner. So this is my orange, and I'm gonna put it on through my eyes, just like that. And then just a little bit more, then we're done. So now it's just my eyes, but it's just that. Now I'll put it around my eyes, and then that's how I do it. So now we're gonna go do some steps to make our makeup. I also use glitter, so that's why I put it under and just a little bit more. So now the camera can see me.
Alright.
Onto my neck. So now I'm doing my other right behind my eyes. And I'm all done. Okay. Doesn't look so sparkly.
Oh wow, it's looking really good, babe.
Thanks. And that's why I'm gonna do this pink. My beautiful pink. And a bit more on top. Now, this will look great under my eyes. So, it's gonna be right there. And I'm gonna show ya a beautiful face. And that's why I do my eyelines. And then I put a little bit of glitter on, and I'm gonna make my face look beautiful. Now I'm gonna put right here. That's why I can wipe it off like this when I'm not done doing my YouTube channel. So that's why guys want to do it other this. And that's why I'm doing my eyelines. Now which color would I like? Okay, I'm gonna do this color. Would you like red? Red? Okay. I want red. It's my favorite color. Do all my other eyelines around. But I put around my eyelines. Okay?
Okay.
So I'm it around now. It's a little bit nice. Now which one would you like? So I'm gonna teach you to do it, okay? So I'm making a sign around on my face. You can do my YouTube channel. So now it's gonna be beautiful to do my eyelines.
Wow, are you doing superhero makeup?
No, this
Super Snow makeup?
Super Snow makeup.
Super Snow. You look awesome. So cool, creative Snow. I love it.
So I'm gonna do my cheeks.
Wow, it looks so cool. Oh wow. Is that a sun?
Yeah.
Wow, honey, that looks so good. You're so creative, Snow. I love it.
Yeah, and that's how you do it, guys. So, then you can put a little bit more of sun. And then
sweet for teaching everybody how to do that,
like this. You can try to practice to do it. Don't forget to subscribe, SNOW. So if you just watch my YouTube channel, then you're gonna watch it. So if you want to practice, then you can practice. So I hope you like my YouTube channel, because it's gonna be fun. And only one more verse to do, and it's superhero makeup. I hope you enjoy this video. So if you enjoy this video, then you can try to do it. Doing it on my lips to make it blue.
Alright, is it all done?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, it looks amazing, Snow. Do you want to wrap it up?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what's going to be your outro? Thanks so much for watching. I'm sending you all my love and
All
positive
my
energy.
Positive energy.
Well, we hope you subscribe and come back for our next video.
Next video.
Mwah.
Mwah.